conceptually a class that can be instantiated, and it is usually implemented as a class that has one. Okay, one more pure virtual or abstract function. So abstract classes are given. So the abstract class is conceptually a class that cannot be instantiated, and it is usually implemented as a class that has one or more pure virtual function. That is, virtual means abstract. So a pure virtual function is the one which must be overridden by the concrete derived class, that is non-abstract class, and this is indicated in the declaration with the syntax 0 in the member function declaration. मग याचं एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे बघा. इथे क्लास काय घेतलाय, हा ॲबस्ट्रॅक्ट क्लास घेतलाय, पब्लिक ॲक्सेस स्पेसिफायर. So virtual void abstract member function is equal to 0. This is a pure virtual function, makes this class a abstract class. Okay, next one, it is the virtual void non-abstract member function. This is the virtual function. Then void non-abstract member function 2. Okay, next one, it is that in general an abstract class is used to define the implementation and is intended to be inherited from by concrete classes. So it's a way. Okay, so it is a way. It's a way of forcing the contract between the class designer and the users of the class. So if we wish to create the concrete class, a class that can be instantiated from the abstract class, we must declare and define matching member function for each abstract member function of that base class. Otherwise, if any member function of base class is left undefined, so we will create a new abstract class, and this would be the useful for the sometimes. Okay, so this will be useful for the sometimes. So sometimes we use the phrase pure abstract class, meaning the class that is exclusively has the pure virtual function and no data. So the concept of interface is mapped to pure abstract classes in the C++. So as there is no interface, okay, no interface constructs in the C++, the same way that there in the Java. Okay, that there is in the Java. मग आता इथे abstract क्लासचं एक एक्झाम्पल घेतलेलं आहे बघा. त्या क्लास व्हेकल घेतलाय, त्याच्यामध्ये पब्लिक, ठीक आहे, एक्सप्लिसिटली घेतला, एक्सप्लिसिटली व्हेकल, इंटिजर टॉप स्पीड, देन एम. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे हा काय डिराईव्ह क्लास बेस क्लास घेतला इथं, कोणापासून डिराईव्ह झालाय तो एम टॉप स्पीड, देन इंटिजर टॉप स्पीड कॉन्स्टंट, देन रिटर्न एम अंडरस्कोर टॉप स्पीड, देन व्हर्च्युअल वाईड सेव्ह, देन std scope resolution operator, OS stream constant is equal to 0, then private, then integer m underscore top speed, then class, then wheel land vehicle colon public vehicle, then public, then wheel land vehicle, then integer top speed, then integer number of wheels, then vehicle top speed, then m number of wheels, then then integer number of wheels constant, then return m number of wheels, then void save std save scope resolution operator of stream OS stream, then constant, that is which is implicitly virtual. Next one, it is that private. So integer m, then number of wheels, okay, number of wheels, then class, then tracked one and vehicle and public vehicles, then public, then tracked and vehicles, integer top speed, then integer number of tracks, then vehicle top speed, then m underscore number of tracks, integer number of tracks, then constant, keyword it is used, then return m number of tracks, then void save integer std OS stream const, then private, integer m number of tracks. So in this example vehicle, it is a abstract class. ठीक आहे, मग इथे जो दिलेला आहे व्हेकल जो आहे तो काय abstract class घेतला आहे. So basically in this example the vehicle, it is a abstract base class and it has the abstract member function. ठीक आहे, So in this example, vehicle, it is an abstract base class and it has a abstract member function. So the class wheeled vehicle, it is derived from the base class and it also holds the data which is common to all the wheel and the vehicles, namely the number of wheels. The class trackland vehicle is another variation of the vehicle class. So this is something of contributed example, but it does show how that you can share the implementation details among the hierarchy of the classes. So each class further refines the concept. So this is not always the best way to implement an interface, but in some cases it works very well. So as a guideline for the ease of the maintenance and understanding, you should try to limit the inheritance to no more than 3 levels. So often the best set of the classes to use its the pure virtual abstract base class to define the common interface, then use the abstract class to further refine the implementation for the set of concrete classes, and lastly define the set of the concrete classes. So an abstract class is the class that is designed to be specifically used as an base class. So an abstract class is the class that is designed to be specifically used as the base class, and the abstract class that contains at least one pure virtual function. So you can declare a pure virtual function by using the pure specifier is equal to 0. So in the declaration of the virtual member function in the class declaration, so the following is the example of the abstract class. So class AB, then public virtual void f is equal to 0, then function AB, scope resolution operator f, it is a pure virtual function. The function declaration cannot have both the pure specifier and the definition. The abstract class cannot be used as the parameter type, the function return type, or the type of the explicit conversion, and not to declare the object of the abstract class. So it can be used to declare the pointers and the references to the abstract class. So this is the pure abstract class. Okay. So here this is the pure abstract class, has only the abstract member functions and no data or concrete member functions. So in general, a pure abstract class is used to define the interface and it is intended to be inherited by the concrete classes. So it's a way of forcing the contract between the class designer and the users of that class. So the user of this class must declare the matching member function for the class to be compiled. So this is the example of the uses. Okay. Right now